Rob Romarino here with Sentry Equipment.
And Angelo D'Ambrosio.
And in today's recipe for success, we're going to be making a cereal-based ice cream. Cereal-based ice cream is really an up-and-coming trend that you see in the dessert market. And basically what it is, it's a variety of different cereals infused with ice cream. As a kid, we all had cereal milk, and I know growing up, my favorite part is when I had all the hard part out. It was just kind of the melted sugar and all the colors and flavors into the milk itself. And that's kind of what we're making now. So what we have now is a Fruity Pebble base, which is one of the more popular ones. Essentially what we have is we have 5 quarts of our mix, and then Angelo is going to mix in some vanilla extract. And then we have some ground up Fruity Pebbles. I have roughly about 28 ounces of ground up Fruity Pebbles, which equates to like a small size box. So if you have a food processor, you can grind it up. We're going to put that in here and whisk it in. And then we're going to add some Fruity Pebbles as the product's coming out, some whole Fruity Pebbles. And then what we like to suggest is when you're serving the product as well, you can actually just sprinkle in some Fruity Pebbles, almost as like a sprinkler Jimmy topping. Understand, when you're doing this, it's all trial and error. So when you're creating these cereal-based ice creams, you may need more ground up, you may need less. That's up to you. So you can do whatever you want. The world is your oyster when you make ice cream. When you have your recipe, you got it. But when you're developing the recipe, experiment. See what you can come up with.
So I put in all the ground Fruity Pebbles. You really want to whisk it up, get the flavor to go through the whole plain vanilla. And then I also put in 2 ounces of the vanilla extract to really make the flavor pop. So the reason you want to whisk this all up, make sure the Fruity Pebbles are throughout, is because the base is just plain. There's no flavor to it. So that's why we're adding this in and putting the vanilla extract in to really bring it out and give it some flavor.